Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Google Pixel 3 AG020F, and in this video I am going to show you how to change screen recording sound settings on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to swipe from the top to the bottom like this to open shortcuts panel, and we have to find screen recorder. As you can see, it's right here. And now we have to click on this right arrow on the right side of the screen recorder button. Here we have to click on this device audio or whatever you have here button, and here we can choose if we want to record device audio, microphone, or both of them. And we can also just mute this audio by clicking this button. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!